trick. Trick. Okay. That grew. That worked. We're playing Sky Factory, as you can see, and we're gonna do trick. Yeah, trick. Hopefully you can get a new achievement this episode and trick from more trees. That face. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now let's get this tree and it's the big one. Let's get the big one first. Okay. That broke my axe. That was a big tree. Get 2 axes and chop this tree down. This tree down. Like that. Ooh, silkworm. I wonder how you use this silkworm. Right there. Oh, still doing stuff. Do that so we can get some string. Yeah, that's awesome. So cool. Yeah, awesome. boy. Let's make another barrel. Ta. So much things to do. Was about to record. Oh yeah, okay, so let's stop. Well, before this, I was about to record, but then I had to go to church. So I wasn't able to record. But now I'm done going to church. I'm here to record for you guys. Yeah. So, let's see the achievement stuff. Cobblestone generator, no, not yet. First achieve silkworm. I think you have to infest the whole tree, so I haven't done that, so maybe I'll do that. Build the proper house. I'll try and make that now. Build a second layer to your island. No. Trying to find all the trophies of it. Power left dirt. Free defensive. You get to control the other automatic. To see just transition plane farm something. Great big one base gold farm storage store 100 million cobblestone in deep stretches of block. Great 3 different types of transform. Fly suicide. AK voice and fish wild to see do not count as flight. No, can't do that. Create a village line, so no. Collect 5 machine, fill their chest. And sure to read a book. Listen to the vintage jazz from one kill, take off from the kicker, grab a silence of your beast. Take measure. No. I haven't even so. That's challenges that we need to complete. Really? I only got one? That's mean. Totally the rude. We're gonna be so rude. Why you gotta be that rude? And I found out that while I kept on playing, can I eat silkworms? No. At least they're twerking. Come on. Twerking ritual. Twerk. Let's go and compose and cook on our fish. Tricky, tricky. Come on, tricky, be so current, twerk.
Are you recording? Are you recording? Are you recording? Are you recording?
Oh, tricky, twerk. Twerk, twerk, leaving worm, twerk, twerk, faster, twerk. Twerking, twerking, twerking right there, see? Twerking. Twerk. Oh, twerk. Come on, grow trees, grow. In the meantime, I should get rid of that up there. Build up, dit. Okay. Get rid of. Okay, let's go back down and clear that. Let's try coal mining here. Don't wanna. I was gonna vein mine, but we might vein mine the whole thing. That would be bad. Really bad. Like, that would be like what babies call like a boo boo. I don't want to do a boo boo. Attacking the power of Juju. Who knows that show? That used to be a cool show. I don't know what happened now. Used to be one of my favorite shows. Like Attacking the Power of Juju. Like that, and there was Tact. It's a great show, but now it's gone, just like Jimmy Neutron. Nobody likes it anymore. Well, some people like Jimmy Neutron, but it's not as famous as it used to be. Before, Jimmy Neutron was so famous. Now it ain't. It's sad. So yeah, about the survival, I got lazy and did not want to continue. Instead, I will be continuing with this series. Okay, so we want the trees to go and trick it. Let's just make an area for the dirt. Now, this area here will be our official planting site. It's all the trees we'll get. Soon, we might extend and make a field platform, but of course our house will be way over there, and I might be bridging across for a long time, so you guys might not want to see me bridging and stuff. It's boring, so I might do it off camera, but if you don't like it, if you don't like me doing it off camera and you want to see me do it, then it's okay with me. I can do it, but of course it'll be boring. I won't have be talking much. I will be talking, but not like much, and I will be tricking, of course. That's awesome. Doing to that like twerk, twerk it. Oh, come on, Stockworm, trick with me. Ooh, tree, glorious tree. Oh, haha, gotcha. Now let's get this, and voila. Get that. Save one there and ta ta ta. Huzzah. Now it's just compost. Now we can make. Oh my gosh. I used all the saplings, didn't I? I meant to leave one. Ah! Looks like getting sapling back. Now let's get that, do that, plant that back in there. Let's wait. Continue tracking. Tracking. Track. Yeah! Woo! Ah! That weird voice. It's like. Okay, let's check on. Wait, let me check something. Oh, it's true. It is true. They weren't lying. Okay. Yay, tree. You grew. Hey! What's happened to all the saplings? Oh yeah, only 2 of them. And really just 1 sapling. Alright, let's do that. Plant this and it's got enough wood. Maybe we should just construct the area for the house. And remember, I think we only have 2 desks or 1 desk in the series. I forgot. I'm too lazy to check it because I'm in the middle of a recording and I'm too lazy to cut it. Okay? It's busy. It's night. It's at 7:57 p.m. But it's okay. We're on sem break. We got no class tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, but still we got no class. Just very awesome. That means I can keep playing Minecraft. But tomorrow I'm not recording, yeah, because I need to go to Davao. Oh, my English accent's not good anymore. Even though my first language was English. Even my grades in English are like failing. Well, not failing. They're just like low. Got low grades. Oh no! Didn't mean to do that. Anyway, continue building this. This will be our house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That means 8. Yes, mental. 6, 7, 8. Sorry, sometimes I just bring up math questions and then solve it mentally. It's my habit. I love math. Math is my favorite subject. Next to science, of course. My 2 favorite subjects is science and math. Like the most awesome subjects for me. Like the most awesome thing in the world. Right, let's make a design to this. Take this off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of this. 1, 2. These 3, 4. 4. Yeah, counting with lemon. Count, count, count. Count, count, count. Build a bridge thing. 1, 2, 3. Let's put a little design to it, shall we? Take this off. Block there. That. There. Got the design going, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Is that it? Give me that. And then that design just like a bridge. Then oh, this is even. Let's extend this one more because I have a plan. A genius plan. Oh, that fell. Don't fall, don't fall. They really had to fall. Like, why? Take that off. 3 of them now. Let me do something. Inventory. Turn magnet on. Oh. Inventory magnet. No, not time. Marine. How do I? How come it's, oops, it's not showing. Anyway, let's continue our building here. But first, let's chop down this tree. Plant some silkworms. There we go. Let me get some string going on. Let's see. Sieve. Oh, this is gonna take a long time to make, so I need 18 string. Oh, got a long way to go, dudes. Very long one. Take this out of the way. This out of the way. This out of the way. Can't believe it. I made so much crooks and still I need crooks. How many crooks do I need? Okay. That. 16 crooks, okay? Because I'm awesome. Yeah. I just did it. Need 16 crooks. Oops. Don't go. I need you. Anyway, get down this. Oh my gosh, did he spawn? No, I didn't do this. No, please don't spawn on me. Yes. Don't get anything. No! I don't care. Alright, just that. Okay. Just wasted twerking things. I mean, silkworms. Just wasted them. So sad. Much sad. Salt. Okay. Bridge. Okay, bridge. 3, like so. The other side. That. Okay. How many minutes are we into the episode? My gosh, 20 minutes is gonna take a long time to upload. Anyways, please give me some. Didn't give me a thing. At least we found a silkworm. That's enough for my trees. And we got a beautiful bridge. Now let's see, how can we get coal? No. Coal. Let's see now. Pulverizer, alloy. Ooh. Oh, so you need gravel. Gravel and get sand, but first you need cobble, so cobble. Oh, it's a stone, huh? How do I get stone? Cobblestone. Oh, this is gonna be hard. How do you get the gravel and stuff? Okay. Let's just continue on building the house for now. Doorway there. Nope. Window there. Oh no. This ain't right. That. Okay. Take that off. Okay. Put that there. I need more slabs. Okay. So, how does that look? Okay, that's okay for me, but I don't know for you guys. Nope, this is okay. It's just complete an achievement. I'm not very good at building houses, actually. So, I'll just build like that. And just simple house. Just to get an achievement done this episode. We already completed just one achievement. Okay, so roof. Okay, roof. You know what? I made a choice. I'll do some things off camera because it will be boring. I will be just looking for trees to collect silkworm to get silk. And what will be that? No. Now, how do we do this? One there, that. It's our house, non-symmetrical house. That's okay. What, this wooden slabs? No. That was a baddie. It's not what I wanted to do anyway. Let's just continue. Okay, do that. That's awesome. Okay. Got a dirt looking structure on the map, please. That. Wooden. Shouldn't do. Now that. There will be our house. Okay. Cylinder like that. Okay. That. It's a house. Now, don't know if we can call it a proper house. So I'll call it this episode, and I'll take that as a house. Okay. There. Done. Think we're a bit too much. 26 seconds. So. Guys, that will be all. Hope we meet again, and goodbye.